Hello students, welcome to the science class of 4th standard. Today I am going to teach you new chapter, that is chapter number 12, friction as a force. The objectives of this chapter are examples of friction observed in daily life, uses and harmful effects of friction in daily life, experiments demonstrating friction. In this chapter, we will also study about meaning of friction, how to reduce friction, uses of friction, harmful effects of friction. The terms of this chapter are friction, contact force, lubricants, lubrication. Now students, open your book at page number 114 and let's start our reading from the topic, what is friction? Underline the word friction and write down its definition. The force which opposes the motion of one object on another. Friction is a kind of force that slows down the moving objects. Whenever two surfaces touch or rub each other, they offer friction to each other. When we rub our hands, they get warm because heat is produced due to friction. A football stops after rolling down for some time on ground due to friction. The frictional force applied by the ground on the ball stops the moving ball. The ball stops after some time because the surface on which ball rolls exerts a force on rolling ball. Have you ever tried to walk on glass floor or snow floor? You will find that it is not easy to walk on snow or glass floor as they are slippery to walk. Actually, what happens, these surfaces applied very less force on the objects. In other words, we can say that smooth surface has little or no friction because smooth surface have less resistance than rough surface. But on the other side, rough surface has more friction. In addition to this, smooth surface has less irregularities that stop the moving object, whereas surfaces which are rough have the more irregularities. Now come to the next topic, how to reduce friction. Friction is caused due to roughness of surface on which the object moves. It can be reduced by applying oil or grease on the surfaces. These are called lubricants. These lubricants reduce the roughness of the surfaces. These are used in machines to reduce friction. Underline the word grease and write down its meaning. Substance used as a lubricant. Underline the word lubricants and write down its meaning. A substance that reduces friction. The examples of lubricants are oil, grease, and applying oil on some metal parts in machine to make smooth movement is known as lubrication. A lubricant, as we might know, is a substance used to reduce friction between two or more substances which are in mutual contact. This ultimately brings down the heat generated when the surfaces move. It is one of the most important substances which are used to improve the overall performance of machine and increase lifespan of equipments. Soap solution also reduce friction. That's why bathroom floors are slippery due to little friction. Wheels also reduce friction. For example, you feel difficulty in sliding with ordinary shoes, but when you use the roller skates, you slide easily. Similarly, you feel difficulty to drag a bag, but it becomes easy when you pull wheels are mounted on it. Sometimes powder is also used to reduce friction. That's why when we sprinkle fine powder on carom board, the friction is reduced and the sticker and the coins move smoothly. We can make a surface much more smoother by polishing. Polishing reduces friction. For example, it becomes difficult to walk on a wet surface or a recently mopped floor. So students, in today's class I have discussed with you friction and methods to reduce friction. So read and revise the topic thoroughly and also revise the cross questions. Thank you and have a nice day.